Hey guys, it's us.
Me too.
I don't know. I think that's so funny.
You know who it is.
We're getting ready to leave for California tomorrow.
No, 2 days from now. Today's Monday. We leave on Wednesday.
Well, never mind. I'm just kidding. We're leaving on Wednesday.
Today's Monday, so it's not tomorrow. That way, it's 2 days from now.
2 days from now. Here's the vibe. We're driving to California.
Driving to California.
On Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Today's Monday.
Yep.
Bryson making cold brew for the trip.
Yes.
We're also gonna make sandwiches.
Yes.
I bought some oatmeal.
For the trip?
Yep. You know what's funny?
What?
I bought 2 boxes of oatmeal for the trip.
No, thinking ahead. Just in case we get stuck there or something with hot water.
Yep. I don't know. It made sense when I was getting it.
What if we just left one of those boxes here for when we got home?
Well, I bought one for here too, so.
We could eat it after.
We have oatmeal for literally any occasion.
Hey, if anyone wants oatmeal, come on over. We'll make you some. Got plenty.
Can you imagine? Hey guys, want to come over for some oatmeal?
Driving.
Update number 1. Woo-woo!
Indy's thriving.
Got the feet out. Driving and thriving. Just did a diaper change on my lap. We're stopped.
We are.
It's just a red light. I'm just kidding.
Red light.
There are no red lights on the interstate.
Gotcha.
I don't think.
Okay.
So I saw that I tweeted 10 years ago a challenge to @Breland-Keels, because that was her name 10 years ago. Where are you? Right there. To say.
What a great name change in 2018.
That's right. That's what they call it in the history books. To say the phrase Irish wristwatch 3 times fast and said, "Bitch, you can't do it. Try."
Okay. Irish wristwatch, Irish wristwatch, Irish wristwatch. Nailed it. Wait, you do it, babe.
Irish wristwatch, Irish wristwatch.
Even worse.
Okay.
Irish wristwatch, Irish wristwatch, Irish wristwatch. Oh, I messed up on the last one. I identified earlier though.
We are somewhere in New Mexico, I think. Here's Bryce.
What's up, it's Bright.
Getting ready to do a diaper change
Here we go.
in the van. We got the sickest van, by the way. I'll show you. Oh, there's Indy. Hi, Indy. Hi, baby girl. She's like, what is going on? So anyway, here's our sick van. Well, that's Bailey. But here's the van. We got a door. Some lights.
Tail lights.
Tail lights. The back window. Another door here, one there too. Mirrors.
I'm not a person that does this.
That is the whitest.
Look, it looks like I'm losing circulation.
It is literally illuminating the whole car. It's a gloomy, rainy day outside, but you wouldn't know because Bailey's
If it got
foot.
dark, I wanted everybody to be able to see each other in this open road in front of us.
Good morning. It is 6:24 in the a.m. on a somebody help me out Thursday. We've just pulled out of our Airbnb in Flagstaff, and now we are headed to California. Indy is slipping.
Well,
She might
secure.
full on be asleep right now. Yeah, so cute. Here's Bay.
I'm about to be doing that same thing soon.
Brycey's up here.
Hey!
I am giving something a go because it looks like I have seat heaters back here in the back seat.
Has it happened yet?
No. I don't know. I smell fire, so
Maybe it's
I think it's working, but I'll let you know if my butt gets warm
did you
pretty
film you
soon.
yet?
Yeah, I did. Oh, well, I was gonna ask you guys how you slept.
Oh, I slept so good. I honestly slept.
Oh,
Oh wait, how do I do this again? I slept like a freaking rock. I slept so good. There was like this really high speed fan that I turned on right above me, and I just like, oh, just so good. Probably one of the best I've ever slept away from home. And also considering that we were all up at 5 something, probably one of the best I've slept. That's my review. Go Arizona. Bryce?
Yeah, no, Arizona's cool. It's nice out here. The trees are here. The roads are here. There's people here.
Did you hear the question?
You just said go Arizona, so I said go Arizona.
The question was, how did you sleep last night?
Yeah, go Arizona. They've got decent beds.
Our bed was like, it felt like it was a water bed, but it wasn't a water bed. It was so like fluid.
It was just like their normal bed, but way too broken in.
Oh. See, your version sounds like exotic and fun. Your version sounds like gross. Terrifying.
It was comfortable.
We'll see the Grand Canyon because we're in Arizona. It's visible from wherever you are in Arizona.
Isn't it supposed to be like really tall? So you
Oh,
can see
look,
from
a
anywhere?
cardinal.
Hey guys, if you didn't know this about me, I love chips, and I normally have chip time around 10:30 every morning, where I eat chips at 10:30 in the morning.
Every morning.
But it is 7:07. We're here in the beautiful town of the Grand Canyons. We're not. We're somewhere in Arizona though. Ash Fork. It's tip time already. 7:07 in the AM. Rules are different here in Ash Fork, so we're having
There's a time change.
Yeah, time change. So that makes it about tip time. Ladies and gentlemen, we've made it to California, and now we're going to introduce you to our friend and yours, Corey Schubert.
Hi. It's me.
He's here.
I met the baby for the first time today.
How'd that go?
I am the uncle. Screamed immediately. Ow. The moment she saw me, just
But what did she do though?
ballistic. What did she do?
Yeah, if you were screaming.
She was calm. She asked me, she said, "Why are you acting so weird?" So overall, normal interaction with the baby. I love her. She's gorgeous.
Yeah.
We are not friends yet, but we're getting there.
Yeah. Cool. Good. So now we're going to Walmart to get some matching beach shoes.
Yeah.
Booze, if you will.
Okay. we're gonna end it there.
What just happened? I just heard this loud crash. I was trying to go to your room. It was pitch black and I forgot that it crashed. I went straight to the wall. And it hurt. Your face is kind of red.
Morning.
Good morning.
You guys chilling?
Just hanging out,
Oh,
rocking in the chair.
so cute.
That's you too.
Oh, try not to run into any walls this morning.
It is Friday. We had a killer breakfast and now we're just hanging out at the house getting ready to go to the beach. I am like not very hair savvy whatsoever, and so like Indy's just eating and we're all just chilling, and so I was like, you know, I'm gonna try to braid my hair. And I just wanted to show my progress. I started kind of strong, but also this is I'm not quite sure what has happened, but I don't think this is really how it's supposed to be done. So probably gonna take this back down. Good morning. Are you gonna go get some coffee?
Yeah. Right past you.
Oh, Dr. Coffee.
Okay, here we go. Take 2, fit of the day. Got the headband, got the red shirt, got the overalls, got the new Walmart shoes, which are such a vibe.
These are so cool, honestly. I can't believe I only paid like $10 for them. Maybe less. I don't remember.
You look so cool.
Thanks.
There it is.
Can I put this in the shoulder?
Yo.
Getting coffee,
Getting coffee.
getting monkey bread,
Getting monkey bread.
getting avocado toast.
She's not getting avocado toast. She
She
can't
will
eat
later.
solid food yet.
Well, love you.
Love you.
Draw a heart because I love you. It's the reason she came to California, ladies and
I'm
gentlemen.
so happy. I've been waiting for this since November when I had it. Episode,
At least 1,000.
yeah, 1,000 or
Okay.
so.
What's up, guys? I'm grilling today, alright? We're gonna be making some chicken, which is meat that people eat.
Okay, moment of truth.
Alright.
Chef tasting his own masterpiece.
So actually, I've never made a chicken quesadilla before for myself. Oh wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Beautiful. Good morning. We're leaving. Breland was writing me a script, but I just think it'd be not really.
Say something like last night.
Last night we went to the wedding. It was really beautiful. Yes. It's Bryce's cousin that got married, and she married her now husband. And now Breland.
And then you take it, Breland.
How about you take it from there?
You know, that's pretty much it. We just realized that we recorded part of the wedding, but we didn't explain whose wedding it was. So we just wanted to say that it was Bryce's cousin's wedding.
We just realized that we recorded part of the wedding, but we didn't explain what was happening, and so we would just like for you to know that they were getting married.
Hey, we should say congratulations, Taylor and Jason. We're so happy for you guys. Thanks for having us at your wedding.
Thanks for having us at your wedding.
Yeah, thanks for having us at your wedding.
It was so fun. The food was so good.
So good.
I cried like 4 times.
Yeah,
So good.
I did too.
3
Had a
times during the
steak.
ceremony, 1 time over dinner.
Steak was good.
Yeah. And there were some grilled veggies, or maybe they weren't grilled. I don't know. They were cooked
Gorilla veggies.
But I had a single carrot in my veggie mix, and it was one of the top 3 best carrots I've ever had.
Yeah. Well, if it's the top 4, it's the number 3 out of 4.
Yeah. Actually, I can't think of what number 2 would be, so I'm gonna bump it up to number 2.
What's
Yeah.
number 1?
My mom's sweet carrots.
Those are good.
Yeah, those are good. That's a good answer too.
Love you, Mom.
Shout out. Last in and out of the trip.
I'm wearing my shirt to commemorate.
Wow.
I'm wearing it on my shirt to commemorate.
Wow. Wearing it in front of my shirt to commemorate. Wow. Wow. Coming at you live from Albuquerque why couldn't I find with a tour of our B&B.
Here's B1.
B
Here's the other.
and B. Where's the tour?
See ya.
I can't tell if this is in focus. Do you have anything else to say about this B&B?
All the stars.
All of them.
All of them.
Every single one in the
Give
sky.
them- Give them the stars.
That's right. Okay. All right, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Night, B. And B.
Thanks for coming to our B&B.
In Indy.
Good morning, it's 5 a.m. and we are about to leave New Mexico.
Hey, Breland, what's on the menu for breakfast?
Oatmeal! We brought 2 boxes for the trip.
How many have we used? This is
We
like
have
our...
1 packet left in our purse.
We are prepared. We are so prepared. Breland is prepared, actually. And so
No,
because
no.
of that, we are prepared.
When you're gonna have an emergency oatmeal situation.
Rock on pizza.